What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to yet another video on Terra Classic, or Luna Classic we should say. Before this I covered the normal Luna, but I also wanted to cover Luna Classic because I know that still a lot of people, and excuse me for that, the screen was probably moving a lot, I bumped my table. A lot of people are still invested in Luna Classic, obviously. I mean, I also still hold some of it. I didn't invest in it a lot. I diversify my crypto portfolio a lot, so I wasn't that hurt by it. Still own quite a lot of Terra Classic. But yeah, so a lot of people still have money invested in Terra Classic, but have also invested in it later on, and also in the new Luna. So at this point of time, the volume of the new Luna is higher than the old Luna. Market cap is actually higher for Luna Classic still, which isn't that weird, but it's quite weird to see. I thought it was actually the other way around, but yeah, doesn't matter that much. Volume is still relatively high. I mean, 76 million is still a lot of money, obviously, but also in the crypto market it's a lot. So nothing major has changed. So when we did the analysis yesterday, so this is kind of an update because yesterday the market circumstances were a little bit more bullish than they are today. What we said yesterday is that we would probably reject off of that 6100 level, which we did, but then afterwards we would drop down to this level right here at around 5600 and 5500. That's what I'm naming the prices as. And from there get enough bullish momentum to actually get through that level at 6100, get to 6500, take a break, retest off of 6100, and start to think about levels up here around 7000, but more specifically between 6700 and 7000. So I still think something like this is possible, but we do have to be realistic. I mean, I tried to make my analysis realistic as possible. Yesterday we or at least I really thought that Bitcoin had a possibility to break this level right here at 21,700. That was the major resistance level. We were trying to break that, but in the end we rejected off of that. So the market is a little bit more bearish than I anticipated yesterday, and therefore I want to say that this is still possible if we break above that 6100 level. But if we reject off of this level once more, we might get some more support off of this 5500 level. But if that's not bringing us above that level, so basically if we don't break above 6100 within the next 2 days or something, we're probably going to drop down towards this 5000 level again. Probably first of all to 5300 and then start to trend down towards 5100 and 5000. And I do think that level will hold, and I think we're able to consolidate on top of that for a longer time period, like a week or 2 weeks. But obviously, I mean, that's not as good as something like this would be. But I just wanted to prepare you for that because I just felt like the analysis yesterday was a little bit too bullish for these market circumstances, which hopefully you'd understand. For now though, that's basically my analysis. At this point of time, I have a slight bias towards that bearish scenario, so to do something like this. But that also really depends on Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin is going up again today. But if Bitcoin actually breaks above 21,000, my bias might actually shift towards something like this being more likely. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Luna Classic for now. If you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.